Hi. So, our dang cat likes to go nuts on this stupid wall. So, we're going to try to sand it down, smooth it over, and then hopefully repaint it.
By we, he means him. Here we go. Jacob, have you ever sanded anything before?
No.
Oh! I mean, I think we're supposed to scrape paint off first before we sand, but since it's just like scratches in that wood or whatever, and they're
It's
not
already scratched up, so it's...
well, and the scratches aren't that deep, so it just needs a. I mean, feasibly, we should just try to scrape the paint off too, because then it would be all the way up it. But we just weepo.
That's the channel.
Exactly. So she got it everywhere. Jacob's not very good at talking while he does something, so
Concentrate.
well, you gotta learn how to concentrate and talk. People want to hear what you're thinking while you're doing it.
I'm not thinking much of anything.
And your mind doesn't wander somewhere.
When I'm doing something? No. I'm focused on what I'm doing.
No, my mind goes everywhere. But I still focus. Okay, that looks fun, doesn't it? I mean, already it looks better. Oh, his head's in the way. I'm not even paying attention to what I'm filming. I'm watching him do it. Captain Morgan, just saying. So you guys can tell us if this is the way you're supposed to do it, because we don't know.
If we're doing it all wrong.
Right? I don't think I've ever sanded anything either. But I know I've seen other people paint, and I've seen them scrape paint first. But I don't remember about sanding though, so I don't have any idea. Anyway, this is what we're gonna do. Jacob keeps putting his head in the way. Here we go. Okay.
Sorry. What do you want?
I want somebody who knows how to act in front of the camera.
You ain't getting that tonight.
Wow, saucy, aren't we? We had to bubble wrap that, and we put bubble wrap in other places where she would attack, but and that helped. So we're thinking after we're done with this again, we need to bubble wrap. I mean, when we're done with this, we need to again bubble wrap.
Done this again. We haven't done this before.
Yeah, well, you know, it's just one of those days.
That's about it. I definitely am scratching up the paint.
Well, I mean, that doesn't matter because we're going to paint over it anyway. Hi.
It's that.
All right, and you tried the Dawn?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be in there in a little bit. Okay, so I think it's, I mean, you know.
It's going to maybe take a couple layers.
Yeah,
Especially for some spots.
yeah.
You know what? Shh. It's too late. I'm already done. I'm already done.
He's saucy tonight. Okay, so that's step one.
Yeah, but where's the paint?
In the other room,
Why is it in the other room?
because nobody brought it in here. So this is Alexandria. Say hi, Alexandria.
Hi, Alexandria.
She's also from DePoe House. She's a silent one.
No, I'm a guest star.
She's a star. That's gone to her head. Anyway, so she wanted to paint. So
Yeah, take away my job.
yeah, she
Yeah.
took away Jacob's job.
Did you miss off?
Yeah, you're the one who wanted to paint.
Wow. And then here's Kitty. She wants to rub against my knee. I don't know why. Hi, Kitty. Okay, so why did you want to paint? You don't know? You just wanted to paint?
I think she'd rather paint instead of glue the baseboard.
Yeah.
Yep.
The that we
Ooh,
probably need to
bleach.
paint
Do we
that
have any
too.
bleach
Well,
under the sink?
Clorox bleach,
Yeah. What other kind of bleach do you know?
hair bleach.
Oh my goodness. Don't, she's gonna bite it.
I think we might. I'm not
So this
sure.
is what Alexandria does in her spare time for amusement. She plays this fat cat. Look how fat she is. She's really not that fat. I've seen fatter, but
Round.
by our standards, she's fat. She's a lot fatter than the other one. The blind guy. Poor guy. He breaks my heart.
Yeah.
Alrighty then.
thank you.
Well,
You just
You
stab
didn't
it?
even paint.
no.
Wowzers. So Jacob, you can come down here and tell her when she's not doing a good job, or you know
Hey.
what spots she's
Doing it
missed.
incorrectly.
Yeah, how she's doing it incorrectly. Miss
Why
Kitty,
do I
you
have to
can't
shake
have
this?
that. Make sure
Loosen it up.
make sure it's all mixed up, because you know there's like oils or something in the paint that separate.
Yeah, that's probably good. Ah!
Okay, so we're just using a pickle jar lid. It's clean. I wash it.
You didn't wash those.
Yeah, just sometimes they don't look as. You probably need to put more in there than that, don't you think?
I'm just gonna like
Oh, excuse you. What'd you
cook
eat?
it at a time, you know? I
Yeah.
need a breakfast sandwich.
Okay, show us how it's done, Miss Alexandria. Oh no. Maybe you should wear a bib.
I'm not eating the paint.
Yeah, but you know, if you just got it on your hand from just pouring it. Ooh,
Match.
it's brighter. It's whiter.
Maybe because it's newer.
Yeah, I'm sure.
For sure.
For sure, totally. Oh look, there's Forrest. Hi,
Hey, buddy.
Forrest. Don't step in the paint. Pant. Shh, Captain Morgan. He's like, nope, don't like the smell. Smells bad in here. All right, is she doing a good job, Jacob?
Some more. I mean, it's mostly to keep the scratches up. I'm gonna fill those up with
Yeah. Well, there she puts her head in the way too. These people,
I'm
these
sorry.
people don't know how to behave on film or digital or whatever you want to call it. Because y'all need to learn how to talk when you do stuff.
What do you want me to do? Be like, alright, we're using this kind of a brush with, in the shade white. And we're just, doing small brush strokes. Just trying to really just layer it on there, Is that what you want?
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
No.
What?
did.
to get paint in her hair.
Kitty.
She did. She freaking did.
Ah, Kitty.
You're just a mess.
You should have stopped her, Jacob. That's your job as the door guy.
I didn't know she'd be that stupid.
Well,
Now you
she
gotta have a
doesn't.
bath.
She doesn't know it's wet.
Now she has to have a bath.
Guess who gets to give them baths?
Yay.
Her.
Can I get it?
It
Oh,
doesn't
yeah.
look bad, that was what's funny.
She was so she could and she could butt her head on it. Hi, Miss Kitty.
I think it's good. I don't need to worry about it.
Yeah.
I wasn't satisfied, okay?
Well,
Yeah, it definitely looks better. Yeah. Stop against my arm. So it definitely looks better. And so
Kitty, you're a mess.
the workers.
but that's it for tonight. Bye.
Toodles.